Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and today I have an affordable stick foundation to review for you guys. And this is the Nichido Perfect Skin Stick Foundation, and it looks like this, and I'm actually wearing it on my face right now. So you're gonna see my review, my first impression and demo in a while. And this is a smooth, hydrating, oil-free, paraben-free foundation. And you guys know that I'm really into oil-free foundations because I really have oily skin. I'm like a walking grease ball at the end of the day. So I got the shade ECRU. Is that how you're supposed to pronounce that? And it has, I think, 4 or 5 shades. I only saw 2 shades where I got this, and I'm a big fan of stick foundations. I've tried a couple of different brands before, but I just stopped using stick foundations because I haven't seen a good foundation, stick foundation in the market yet after those foundations that I tried before. But this one is really affordable. I'm going to show you guys how I apply this on my skin, my first impression and demo. So if you guys are interested in that, then just keep on watching. And it costs 268 pesos, and it has yellow undertone, which is great because my skin has yellow undertone as well. I don't know if you can see, but it has oil on the actual product. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply this directly on my skin. Apply this with a sponge on this side of my face and brush on the other side. So I'm just gonna apply this directly. Oh, that's oily. So the first wipe is very oily, so I think that you're supposed to wipe the first layer. Let me just do that right now because the first wipe was super oily. Okay. I think this is a nice color match. It's not too light, and I really hate it when my foundations are super light. It makes me look like a ghost, but this one is not too light, just perfect color for me. So I'm glad that I got the right shade. Alright, seems to be blending well with the sponge. So I've had a lot of foundations that's so difficult to blend with a sponge, but this one is just really blending nicely. That's a good thing because I prefer sponges over brushes because you don't need to pull your skin too much. This one you're just gonna dab and it will blend it for you. Don't forget your neck because your neck and your face needs to be the same color. And I really like this shade. I wish I can find a liquid foundation with this shade because it has a yellow undertone and it doesn't make my skin look gray or anything like that. Don't forget to blend it into your hairline as well because sometimes when you lift your hair up like this, you'll see a foundation line here, so you might as well blend it into your hairline as well. I really like the finish of this. It looks really natural. When you touch your skin, it's not that matte. It definitely has the dewy finish, but if you are looking for a foundation that is not too matte and still gives you a healthy glow, I think you will like this foundation. So I'm just gonna see if I can get more coverage with this, and this is my second layer. Really impressed with the coverage that it gave my skin and the finish. It's really absolutely beautiful. And this is the side without the foundation, and this is the side with the Nichido Perfect Skin foundation, and you can compare the difference. And right here, as you can see, it really evened out my skin tone, and the color is actually really perfect for my skin. It's not too warm, it's not pink at all. I hate foundations with a pink undertone. Now we're gonna see the finish if you're going to apply it with a brush. I'm just gonna use a synthetic brush that looks like this, and I'm just gonna apply this on my face with this. And I absolutely love stick foundations because You can control how much coverage you apply on your face. And I think that stick foundations are travel friendly. They're very easy to use, and it's more easier to apply and more convenient than a liquid foundation, because some liquid foundations are very runny. They're just hassle to use, but this one you just swipe it on your face and blend it, and it makes applying your foundation a lot easier. So okay, so I'm just blending this with a brush. Ooh, wow, that is easy actually. I think that brush works really well for blending in this foundation as well. It looks so beautiful and natural. I think that with a sponge you just get more coverage than a brush, but both has a really nice finish. It looks perfect, and it didn't emphasize my pores. I'm starting to love this foundation already. So let's just apply one more layer and I'll tell you my final thoughts. Okay, definitely covers, and some on my neck. I think that it's so easy to use, and you can use a brush or a sponge to blend this. I think that it's slightly easier to apply this foundation with a brush, but I think that you get more coverage with a sponge. But it both applies so beautifully. I can't go wrong with this foundation, and it's a plus that it's oil-free. It definitely looks really nice right now. I love the finish of this. Without setting it yet, I can tell already that it has a medium to full coverage. It depends on how much or how many layers you apply on your skin, but it doesn't look cakey. And I just absolutely love the finish of this foundation. This is perfect for those no makeup looks, because it looks like skin. It doesn't look like I applied foundation. It feels lightweight, so that's a good thing. And so now I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and tell you guys my final thoughts. I'm sorry if you can hear the dogs, but there's no way to stop them right now, and I can't stop this video, so bear with me for now. So I really like this foundation. I recommend it, especially if you're on a budget and looking for a really nice foundation. There's so many expensive foundations, but you can get the same effect, especially if you're not gonna wear it for a special event. If you're just going somewhere like grocery shopping, if you're just going to school, it has really great coverage, and the finish is really beautiful as well. So that's it for my review of the Nichido Perfect Skin Stick Foundation. If your skin has yellow undertone, go ahead and get the shade ECRU, but they have other shades as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we upload a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time.